Failure to appear on what?
On your warrant.
On a warrant?
Yes. You have a failure to appear on a warrant.
That's news to me.
That's why I'm here. I'm telling you.
I'm
It was signed by Judge Ricotta, January 26th.
January 26th?
Yep.
I didn't receive anything in the mail.
You don't have to receive it in the mail. The warrant's put in the system.
Well, how was I supposed to be aware of anything?
You were given a court date when you were arrested the first time.
I've been to court.
I'm just telling you what I got.
Okay.
You want to come out and see it? I'll show it to you.
Well, yeah, I'm gonna need to see it. And you are aware that the court was closed. The town hall was closed.
No, it's not.
It was.
January 26th is when she signed it.
Well,
Last court date she signed it.
I didn't know I was expected to be there on that day. I wasn't summoned to be there on that day. And as far as I could tell, I called the court, and they said the town hall was closed until further notice.
It's been open for months. I don't know when you talked to them.
I have it.
I'm not arguing whether or not somebody lied to you or not. I'm just telling you that.
No, I have the penny saver. I have the penny saver that says it.
Penny Saver's wrong. That court's been open for the last 9-10 months.
The Erie County Sheriff's Department and New York State Troopers keep coming after this man with shady warrants they refuse to properly show. Under the Fourth Amendment, every arrest requires a valid warrant based on probable cause, and officers must present it upon request. Yet, here they are, threatening to drag him out of his home over some alleged failure to appear for a court date he never got notice about. They already falsely arrested him twice before, in July and September, and still haven't justified those arrests. Now they're back, playing the same corrupt game. A smart man doesn't fall for this. He demands proof, records every interaction, and exposes their lies.
9-10 months? No, this was just in January. I have it right on the table because in case something like this happened,
Luckily for you, the judge is in. So if you want, we can go in our car. We'll go down there right now. It's not going to remand you. You can talk. It's not going to make promises. But generally, you can say, you need to show up to court and give you another court date.
I was never notified of a court date.
I'm notifying you right now. I have a warrant for your arrest. If you want, the judge is sitting at the court right now. I'll take you to the judge. We'll get this cleared up, and we'll come back right when we're done.
Well, you know,
She's not going to she's not going to remand you.
the reason I didn't open the door is because the state troopers, he reached in and grabbed my arm and dragged me out of my house under false pretenses before. You know,
That's not what I'm here for. I'm telling you I got a warrant. If you'd like to see it, come off the car. I'll show it to you. I'll take you to Judge Ricotta. We'll get this cleared up, and I'll even give you a ride back when we're done.
well, can you get the warrant and show it to me? I can see it from.
Computer, I don't have a paper copy. If you'd like to come out and I'll show it to you on the computer though.
Cause I've been arrested twice.
I'll tell you what. I won't even put you in cuffs until I show it to you. How's that sound?
Well, you know, it's not you, sir. With all due respect, it's been nothing but tricks. I've been arrested twice under false pretenses, and you know.
I'm not lying to you. I can show it to you and I'll back it up. I've got body camera rolling.
Okay, good.
So you got my word on it.
Well, because the sheriff said.
I'm going to turn yourself in right now. We can have this thing cleared up in the next 35 minutes at most.
I don't see what the issue is. I mean, if I'm expected to appear in court, I need to be summoned to appear. I'm not a mind reader.
No, you don't.
How am I supposed to know then?
You obviously knew you had a court date sometime in the past and missed it.
No.
Forgot about it, or whether court was closed and they rescheduled it and you didn't get the updated mail, I don't know. Just like if the DMV doesn't notify you you're suspended, you're still suspended. You see what I'm saying? No.
No.
Situation. We turn ourselves in today. I take you down there, get you in front of the judge. She gives you a new court date, hopefully. We come right back here. I drop you off right back here. All right? If somebody picks you up at a traffic stop, they're impounding your car and holding it, and you're going downtown so you can see the judge.
Well, if you...
I mean, here's the thing. We can do this thing in the next 35 minutes to be done with it, or you could then pay for the tow job, the impound fees, and all the other nonsense, and it could be really convenient for you if somebody picks you up that way.
I have a friend that's on the way here. He picked me up to do some work for him, and I think I might need a witness to this because I've been arrested falsely arrested twice in last year, and I still have not seen a warrant. You know, you guys say whatever.
I'll tell you what. Record yourself. Come on out. I'll show you the warrant. When you can verify it, then we'll go there. I'll even let you call your buddy to see if he can pick you up in North Collins, so you can still go.
What is the purpose? What am I being arrested for?
You have a failure to appear bench warrant out of the town of North Collins, dated 1/26/2022.
That was a couple weeks ago.
I understand that. That's when she signed it. It was a couple weeks ago.
So, you guys are now deciding to?
I just got notified of it today.
Oh, okay. Well, I mean, I was not notified of a court date.
It doesn't matter.
It does matter.
No, it does not.
How does it not matter? If I'm expected to be there and I'm not aware of it?
If I owe you $1,000 and I don't notify you by mail, does that mean you don't get the $1,000? Because you weren't notified of it?
No, but that's different.
Same thing.
I don't think it is the same.
Doesn't mean that it's not valid in the system.
These cops aren't just trying to arrest him, they're trying to break him. The 14th Amendment guarantees due process, which includes the right to proper notice and freedom from government harassment. But instead of serving legal papers, they're cutting off his resources, threatening to impound his car, and even posting mocking memes on Facebook. This isn't law enforcement, it's a coordinated intimidation campaign. A smart man sees right through it. He knows they're trying to starve him out, to make him desperate enough to walk into their trap, but he won't. He'll hold the line, document everything, and make sure the world sees their corruption.
If it's in the system, yeah, but I mean, there's proper channels these things have to go through.
I can't hear you.
There's proper channels these things have to go through.
The proper channel is the judge signed the warrant and it was entered into the New York State system.
Well,
It's statewide.
Why was I not notified?
I don't know. Maybe the mail is slow. Maybe it didn't get mailed out.
I can show you right now that it said.
I don't know why you weren't notified.
I can show you right now that
Be notified of it.
it said the town hall was closed.
You've been notified.
I was not notified.
Right now. Right now, you've been notified. There's a warrant for your arrest. You don't want to come with us to go see Judge Ricotta? That is fine. I do not care. Next time that we find you, though, you will not go to court. You will not speak with Judge Ricotta. You will go to the holding center, and you will sit there for approximately 3 days to get arraigned. I don't care. We offered the opportunity.
Okay, you don't care. I understand that.
Remember that.
It's not personal. You're.
I offered to take you to Judge Ricotta and get it cleared up and get you released. You don't want to do that? I don't care.
Well, it's not you guys. You know, it's
I don't need an explanation. If you want to wait, that's fine. But if you do go downtown for 3 days and your car's impounded, that's 3 days of storage fees. That's the toll bill. That's a lot of nonsense you don't need to incur. I tried to help you out. You don't want to cooperate. That's fine.
I don't understand how that's helping me out. I mean,
If I take you down right now, you get put in front of the judge and you're done. You don't have
maybe, like you said, maybe.
to process downtown. You don't have to go anywhere. And I'll bring you right back when we're done.
Like you said, though, maybe.
I'm not going to promise you that's what you're going to do, but most of the time the judge just RORs people with a new.
But I don't understand if you're saying this court date was January 26th.
Well, I'm saying that's when she signed the warrant. I don't know what.
Okay, so it was
Your court date could have been November. I don't know.
well, why? Whenever a warrant was signed, supposedly, like you're saying, why couldn't something have been at least mailed to me?
And you're asking me questions I have no way.
You know what I mean, though? I mean, if there's a warrant issued, it's not like this is hot off the presses.
You don't want to turn yourself into me. I'm going to take off. Somebody will catch you when you're on the outside, and it's going to be a much lengthier.
Well, if I was outside, you guys would be grabbing me right now.
If you were outside, I would have walked you to my car, shown you the warrant, and would have taken you down to get it cleared up already.
But if I was outside, you would be grabbing me and forcefully taking me.
If the warrant is high enough, somebody could come in the house and get you anyway.
Well, I don't understand.
That's fine.
It,
You don't want to work it? That's fine. I'm going to leave. You can talk.
You also have a warrant, Dutch, state police,
I
state for criminal mischief. All right? Now, when they do pick you up, when they're done, we will take custody of you as well.
is that right?
Okay, yes. If we take custody of you first, we will now turn you over to them. Okay? When the attorneys, when we do stop you or pick you up for your warrant.
How do you guys have a warrant?
Criminal mischief, right? You know where our station is down the street there?
Yeah.
Stop in if you'd like to turn yourself.
How do you have a warrant for that? I appeared to that. I appeared.
Now you know. Do you want to come out and take care of it or no?
Where do you guys come up with these warrants? I've been to court 3 times on that.
Have a good day.
The cops claim he missed a court date, but they can't prove they ever notified him. The Fifth and Sixth Amendments guarantee the right to be properly informed of legal proceedings, no secret hearings, no hidden warrants. If the court was closed, which their own records confirm, how is he supposed to appear? Their story doesn't add up because it's built on lies. A smart person doesn't just argue, they build a case. When facing unlawful police actions, the key isn't just to resist in the moment, it's to systematically document and challenge corruption. The First Amendment, it protects your right to record police in public spaces, and the Fourth Amendment safeguards you from unlawful seizures. Here's what to do if you're in this situation. 1. Record everything. Use your phone, body cam, or dash cam. If officers refuse to show a warrant, say clearly, "I do not consent to any search or seizure. Please present the warrant." Get their refusal on video. 2. Demand paperwork. If they claim you missed a court date, ask for proof of notice. Under due process laws, you must be properly served. No notice means no valid warrant. 3. Never resist physically. Comply with orders to avoid charges, but verbally assert your rights. "I am not resisting. I do not consent. I want my lawyer." 4. Gather evidence later. Request body cam footage, court records, and 911 calls via FOIA requests. Compare their story to the facts. Cops rely on people giving up. A smart person makes their misconduct impossible to ignore. Document, challenge, and dismantle their lies, one piece of evidence at a time. Once you've documented everything and asserted your rights, make sure to visit the courthouse in person to resolve any outstanding legal issues, because the final move in outsmarting corruption is ensuring the system has no excuse to come after you again. Stay sharp, stay legal, and never let them make you the villain in their story. Like and subscribe for more police cam stories. Watch the next recommended video click to watch now.